How to fix Pokemon Go sound problem. Welcome everybody, I will show you how to fix this easy and quick today. Let's do it. So first step, you should open the settings of your device. Click at apps option next, search for Pokemon Go and click. Scroll here this list, click storage only, click clear cache only again and back. Click on force stop, click OK. Go now to Play Store or App Store. Here update your Pokemon Go. Now you should just restart your device and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.